Morning Shem Stars. Welcome to the class of.
Let's discuss about the relationship between planning and controlling. Planning is the foremost function of management, whereas controlling is the last function of management. But these both are interdependent as well as interrelated activities. If we talk about the relationship between planning and controlling, then first of all we need to understand the meaning of these both terms. Planning means to decide in advance what to do, when to do, how to do, who will do, where it will be done, when it will be done and all. It bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to go. Whereas controlling is the process that measures the actual performance and the standard performance, and we check the deviations and take corrective actions accordingly to improve the performance. The meaning of controlling makes it clear that controlling function is undertaken for right and timely implementation of the plans. Second point is that planning and controlling are interlinked and interdependent activities. Planning is an empty exercise without controlling, and controlling without planning is also aimless and blind. So planning this prepares the grounds for controlling, and controlling provides information for revision and formation of new plans. Planning is based on facts, which makes controlling easier and effective. And controlling, it improves the future planning by providing information derived from the past experiences. So there is a close linkage between planning and controlling. Third point is that planning and controlling are both backward looking as well as forward looking. Planning is called looking back because the plans are formulated on basis of past experiences. Controlling, this involves the measurement and evaluation of past performances, so they are looking back. On the contrary, planning is always done to formulate future plans and determine the future courses of action for achievement of certain objectives laid down. And controlling helps in adoption of new plans and revision of existing plans. It also takes into consideration corrective actions on basis of actual performance against the standards. So both systematic planning and organized controls are equally essential to achieve the organizational goals. So it is rightly said that planning and controlling, they are looking back also and they are looking ahead also. So we can conclude that planning and controlling, they cannot be separated. Rather, they are supplementary functions and support each other for successful implementation and execution of them. Right? Planning makes control easier and effective, and controlling makes planning more effective. So there is a close relationship between planning and controlling. In our next video, we will discuss about the process of controlling.
If you have any doubt, you can drop on Google Class. Take care all of you. Thank you Shem Stars.